Looking for cozy ways to stay creative during the colder months? Searching for winter crafts ideas for adults that are relaxing, beautiful, and easy to make at home? Need easy winter crafts ideas for adults to enjoy during quiet January days? Or maybe you want cozy winter craft ideas like snowmen, penguins, or winter art projects that feel fun and stress-free. If that sounds like you, stay right here, because today we're sharing 15 creative and calming winter craft ideas for adults that are perfect for January and beyond. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas, your space for cozy creativity and seasonal inspiration. Today, we're sharing winter crafts ideas for adults, including easy winter crafts ideas for adults that are perfect for January crafting, relaxing weekends, and cozy indoor creativity. Why are winter crafts especially popular with adults? Winter crafting helps reduce stress, boost creativity, and fill slower months with purpose. These winter crafts ideas for adults are perfect for staying cozy while creating something meaningful. What are the easiest winter crafts ideas for adults to start with? Simple projects like candle jars, paper snowflakes, and painted wood signs are great. These easy winter crafts ideas for adults don't require advanced skills or expensive supplies. If you love relaxing crafts, hit like and share this video with a creative friend. What January arts and crafts ideas for adults work best after the holidays? Neutral decor, winter-themed wall art, and calming DIY projects are perfect. These January arts and crafts ideas for adults help transition your home from Christmas to winter. What are simple January craft ideas for adults on a budget? Reuse jars, paper, fabric scraps, or thrifted items. These January craft ideas for adults prove you don't need a big budget to create something beautiful. Do you prefer quick crafts or longer creative projects? Tell me in the comments. What adult winter craft ideas are both creative and relaxing? Painting, embroidery, knitting, and candle making are great options. These adult winter craft ideas are soothing and perfect for quiet evenings. What winter art projects for adults are trending? Abstract winter paintings, watercolor landscapes, and textured mixed media art are popular. These winter art projects for adults allow creative expression without pressure. For more seasonal DIY and craft ideas, check out the Winter Craft playlist in the description. What snowman craft ideas for adults are fun but stylish? Try wooden snowman signs, ceramic snowman painting, or fabric snowman decor. These snowman craft ideas for adults feel festive without being childish. What penguin crafts ideas for adults work for winter decor? Penguin-themed wall art, painted figurines, or fabric crafts add charm. These penguin crafts ideas for adults are playful yet sophisticated when styled simply. Love cozy winter creativity? Subscribe for weekly craft and DIY inspiration. What winter arts and crafts for adults are good for beginners? Paper crafts, stenciling, decoupage, and simple painting projects are ideal. These winter arts and crafts for adults build confidence and creativity. What cozy winter craft ideas help create a warm home atmosphere? DIY candles, garlands, and framed winter quotes are perfect. These cozy winter craft ideas make your space feel calm and inviting. For more winter DIY and home decor videos, check the related links in the description. How can adults use crafting as winter self-care? Choose repetitive, calming crafts like knitting or painting. These winter crafts ideas for adults help reduce stress and improve focus. What winter craft ideas for adults are great for group activities? Paint nights, DIY wreaths, or candle workshops work well. These winter craft ideas for adults are perfect for friends, classes, or community events. What winter-themed crafts can adults display year-round? Neutral winter art, abstract snow designs, and minimalist decor pieces work beyond winter. These adult winter craft ideas feel timeless and versatile. How do I stay motivated to craft during winter months? Set small goals, keep supplies visible, and choose enjoyable projects. These winter crafts ideas for adults should feel fun, not overwhelming. What's the best way to start a winter crafting routine? Pick one simple project per week and enjoy the process. Even easy winter crafts ideas for adults can become meaningful winter traditions. And that's it. 15 cozy and creative winter crafts ideas for adults to keep you inspired all season long. From January art projects and snowman crafts to relaxing candle making and penguin decor, winter crafting is about slowing down and enjoying creativity. Whether you're crafting alone or with friends, these ideas help turn cold winter days into something warm and meaningful. What's your favorite type of winter craft? Painting, DIY decor, or sewing? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal craft inspiration. Stay cozy and happy crafting.